First, I'm gonna play half speed along with the tabs. Then I will show you the deep secrets of how to sound like John Petrucci. Let's get started. Okay, now let's focus on the details about this solo. We are starting with a half step bend from B flat. So I have to land to B perfectly. How we can practice: first listen B and then bend to so you can practice like that, and you have to be stable on B note. Okay, after this, so here we have a wild vibrato between B flat and B. So this is not just vibrato on B note. You are doing vibrato between B and B flat. So you have to go back to B flat. Okay, we have a slide on G string 11 to 6 fret, but John Petrucci is doing slides like that. So first he is sliding to higher pitch, later on landing on the target note. And it sounds very cool. Instead of this, and this one is just sounding that, we have a legato here, vibrato, again we are doing vibrato on B. Here it's not just vibrato, I am bending half steps, then I am doing vibrato. Now we have a scale run and he is playing with the neck pickup. And you can see similar scale runs, the songs like Metropolis. It's very common by John Petrucci. So when I look at the lesson videos on this song, I usually see they are playing like, but instead of this, he's starting with the E flat. So later on, I have crazy bends here after that scale run. Vibrato. Kind of David Gilmour band here. When I listen to that part slowly, I hear like there's a little slide. I think he's just trying to land on that note. Okay. Here what is crucial is that note. Instead of this one, he is playing this note. Later on, Here I have a double stop. And I have a vibrato on that note. On the original tabs, it shows like there's a tapping on the B note, 12th fret. So when I watched the live shows from 90s, I saw instead of tapping, he was playing the B note with his pinky. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to start slow and increase your speed gradually. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on all the notifications. And I hope to see you on my upcoming videos. Cheers. Bye.